Om Swastiastu. Good morning, students. Okay, it's very nice for me to see you again virtually, and I hope you are in very good condition today, so you can follow today's activity in a good condition. Okay, well, guys, actually today we are going to discuss our new material. Yeah, because in the previous week we already have a daily test assessment for you. So I'm glad because some of you already get good score, and maybe some of you, I think you need to revise and you need to try again. I I still give you opportunity to make it up. Okay, and today, because it's already the time for us to continue our study, so we will continue our lesson to the new one. Okay, well, guys, and today we are going to begin to discuss our new material. First of all, I would like to welcome you all. Welcome to my English class. Yeah, with me, Mrs. Agustiawati. Okay, yeah. Before we discuss our material today, I want you to do a warming up activity. Ya, sebelum kita memulai untuk mendiskusikan materi kita hari ini, saya ingin kalian melakukan warming up dulu, pemanasan dulu ya. Kita brainstorming dulu, jadi kalian akan memiliki prior knowledge about what we will study for today. Okay? Hey guys, I have a picture in here. I think if you are a member of army, you will know the name of this person. Yeah. So today I present this picture to you, and I also give this note. Yeah. Just imagine that this boy is a birthday boy. Ya, kalian bayangkan kalau orang ini adalah orang yang sedang berulang tahun pada hari ini. Okay, and then this is you, misalnya ini kamu, and I will ask you something. What will you say to him? Ya, kalau kamu jadi orang ini, what will ya? If this guy is you, so what will you say to this guy if he is a birthday boy or if today is his birthday? Okay, do you have a good answer for that? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you will say happy birthday, Daiju. Yeah, it is right because I'm not member of army. Saya bukan anggota army, tapi kalau ada yang fansnya BTS di sini pasti tahu namanya Taehyung ya. Okay, so you will say happy birthday. Yeah, so if your friends or your family have a birthday today, it's very glad for you if you can say happy birthday for them. Okay, jadi selamat ulang tahun. Next, yeah, I have also pictures in here. Diana's painting. Ya, jadi ada anak di sini bringing a painting, membawa sebuah lukisan, and I think this painting is very beautiful, right? So what will you say to her? Apa yang akan kamu katakan kepada anak ini? Namanya Giana. Okay. You may say, it's very beautiful. Good job, Giana. Ya, jadi kalian bisa bilang seperti ini ya. It's a very beautiful. It's very beautiful painting. Bisa juga. Good job, Giana. Oke. Ini saya perbaiki dulu lagi sedikit. It's very beautiful. E-nya tidak ada ya. Kalau kalian mau menggunakan e, berarti ada it's a very beautiful painting. Oke. Jadi yang saya tunjukkan tadi, ya, this picture, birthday boy, and then you say happy birthday to Taehyung. What comes in your mind when you see this presentation? Apa yang ada dalam pikiran kalian saat kalian melihat tampilan ini? Apa kira-kira akan kalian pelajari? Okay, that's right. You will learn how to express, ya, expression of congratulating others. Ya, ini namanya expression of congratulating others. And then the second one, this one. What do you call the expression? When you say, it's very beautiful, good job, Kiana. Dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah pujian. So in English, we say expression of complimenting others. Ya, jadi kita belajar dua expression sekarang. Expression of congratulating others and expressions of complimenting others. Okay, so this is our topic for today. Ya, expressing congratulation and compliment. Congratulation itu artinya ucapan selamat. Kemudian compliment itu artinya memberikan pujian. Okay, do you get my point? Okay, and then let's continue. Yeah. Okay guys, in here I have a video for you in order to identify the expressions that you can use to say congratulations to others. Not only happy birthday, but you also can learn some expression which can help you to express or to say congratulations when our family or friend gets something, or to appreciate them. Okay, are you ready? Dengarkan dulu ya, please listen and see, watch this video carefully. Okay guys, so in here you can see that there are two people, a man and a woman, who say congratulations for your graduation, Carol. Okay, they say congratulations for your graduation, Carol. So the woman's here, the woman's name in here is Carol. Jadi namanya ini adalah Carol. Kemudian responnya adalah thank you, Dea. Oke, jadi ada ucapan selamat dan dia memberikan respon. Ya, ucapan selamatnya berupa congratulations for your graduation, karena kita lihat Carol ini menggunakan toga, berarti dia baru saja lulus dari pendidikannya. Oke, kemudian responnya adalah thank you, Dea. Ya. And then let's continue to the next expression. Okay, and then they also say, by the way, what kind of gift that you want? Ya, kemudian Kara bilang, will you buy me something? Oke, jadi dia menanyakan apa yang kamu inginkan sebagai hadiah. Kemudian Carol bilang, akankah kalian memberikan saya sesuatu? Ya. Certainly itu artinya tentu saja. Ya, kemudian Carol bilang, okay, please give me a bucket of flower. Ya, berikan saya satu bucket bunga. Oke, bisa jadi kalau kita memiliki saudara atau teman yang sedang merayakan sesuatu atau meraih sesuatu, we can give them gift, ya. We can give them such as, for example, beautiful flower or chocolate or something that they like as a gift. Okay, and then let's continue. Okay. Okay, I'm sure that you already read the previous expression that this guy asked that is it real that this guy already get married to Carol, and he say that yes, yeah. dia baru saja menikah dengan orang ini, kemudian dia bilang, wow, congratulate on your wedding or congratulations on your wedding. Ya, jadi selamat atas pernikahanmu. Kemudian responnya adalah thank you so much, Fikri. Oke. Jadi saat ada keluarga kita yang baru menikah, we also can say congratulations ya, by saying for example, wow, congratulations for your wedding. Ya, oke. Atau have a wonderful marriage life ya, atau have a long lasting marriage. Oke, bisa juga ya. Kemudian kita lanjutkan. Okay, this is the next expression. This is the next dialogue. Yeah, it's similar to my brainstorming just now. That this girl, yeah, is a birthday girl. Yeah, so her friend says to her, "Happy birthday," and then she says, thank you. Ya, jadi ada ucapan selamat, kemudian dia harus merespon. Kalian juga begitu. If someone says happy birthday to you or someone says congratulations to you, you also have to give good response by saying thank you or that's very kind of you. Yeah, so the conversation will be better and very good if you can give a good response for your friends. Okay. Yeah, guys, I think it's enough for the example of congratulating others, and then I will continue to the next expression. Yeah. Okay. In here, sekarang untuk pujiannya. Ya, sekarang tadi sudah membahas tentang contoh-contoh memberikan selamat. Sekarang kita lihat bagaimana cara memberikan pujian dalam bahasa Inggris. Well, guys, in here I also have something which can help you, yeah, to understand or to get some example of how to give compliment to others. Okay. Okay, please wait. Okay, so this is a music video. Yeah, the title of the song is "What a Wonderful World" by Louis Armstrong. So in this video, in this music video, you will be able to know or to get information of what example that you can use to express compliment. Yeah. Like this, okay? Judulnya adalah What a Wonderful World, artinya betapa indahnya dunia ini, okay? Betapa indahnya dunia ini merupakan sebuah pujian juga bahwa dunia ini adalah dunia yang sangat indah, memiliki pemandangan yang sangat luar biasa. Kemudian Louis Armstrong ini membuatnya dalam sebuah lagu. You can listen to it right now, okay? Start from here. Okay, guys, so when you listen to this song, you will know that the singers say that what a wonderful world. Artinya betapa indahnya dunia ini. Ya, sama dengan lukisannya Giana tadi. Dia bilang dia menunjukkan sebuah lukisan, kemudian her friend says that it's very beautiful. Artinya sangat indah. Ya, jadi ini juga sama. You can express compliment to say that something is beautiful by saying it's very beautiful or what a wonderful, what a beautiful, ya. Atau jika kalian punya teman yang pintar, kalian juga bisa bilang what a smart girl you are, atau you are very clever, atau temannya yang rajin-rajin kalian bisa bilang you are very diligent. Oke, jadi banyak sekali hal yang bisa kalian pilih atau kata sifat yang kalian bisa pilih, kata sifat yang positif ya, untuk mengungkapkan pujian kepada teman atau saudara kita yang melakukan hal yang doing something great atau melakukan hal yang luar biasa. Oke, kemudian sekarang saya juga akan menunjukkan buku paketnya ya. Jadi kalian bisa baca di buku paket materi tentang expressing congratulation and compliment. Okay, I think the connection is not really good. Yeah, well, I hope you can see this, yeah, guys. Okay, in this book, you also can read the expression of this congratulating other and compliment, ya, completely. Jadi kalian bisa baca di sini juga pada halaman 23. Oke, sini beginningnya. Jadi di sini ada dialog ya between Samuel, ya, among Samuel, Elif, and Sinta. Okay, you can read the illustration first. After a long struggle and hard work, Elif is finally appointed as the director of a national company where he works. Many of his friends who work at the same company congratulate him. Ya, jadi kalian harus mengerti dulu bagaimana konteksnya. Jadi Alif ini mendapatkan apa? Posisi baru atau ditunjuk sebagai seorang direktur pada perusahaannya. Kemudian banyak teman-temannya yang mengucapkan selamat. Ya, ini contohnya Samuel says, Alif, congratulations, you deserve it, man. Oke, jadi dia bilang congratulations. Oke, expressing congratulations to Alif. Kemudian Alif say, sebagai responnya dia bilang, thank you very much. This is because you always help me. Ini karena kamu selalu membantu saya. Ingat, kalau kita diberikan selamat, kita harus jangan sombong dulu, ya. Kita harus humble. Oke, contohnya Alif ini, dia bilang this because of you always help me. Karena kamu selalu membantu saya. Jadi orangnya itu sangat rendah hati, ya. Jadi dia humble, tidak baru diberikan selamat, tidak langsung ya get high gitu. Oke. Kemudian Sinta. I am very happy for you, Alif. Ini juga bisa merupakan salah satu ungkapan menyatakan selamat. I'm very happy for you, Alif. Ya. Now that you are the director of the company, I believe the company will develop even faster. Jadi Sinta bilang di bawah kepemimpinanmu perusahaan pasti akan berkembang lebih pesat lagi. Oke, kemudian Alif replies with happy tone dengan nada yang senang. Thank you. I cannot forget your collaboration with me, and I will still need your help. Ya, terima kasih. Saya tidak akan pernah melupakan kerjasamamu dengan saya, ya, and I still need it. Dan saya masih memerlukannya. Jadi Alif ini walaupun dia sudah jadi director, but he is not arrogant. Dia tidak sombong. Oke. Kemudian ada juga expression yang lain, ya. Ini juga. Other friends shake his hand and congratulate him too. Dia bilang, that's wonderful. Seperti dalam lagu yang kita dengarkan tadi. Dia bilang, that's wonderful, Alif. Alif di sini dia memuji. Ya, kalau kita dipuji, kita bilang, oh, thanks. Biasa aja ya, jangan lebay. Kalau kita dipuji itu responnya harus biasa saja. Stay humble. Okay? Good for you. Good luck. Thank you very much. Well done. Itu juga wah pujian. Thank you for saying so. That was great. You must be very proud of your achievement. Ya, kamu pasti bangga dengan prestasimu. Thanks, I'm glad you think so, but I still have to learn a lot. Ya, jadi kamu pasti bangga, tapi kamu tidak harus menunjukkan rasa banggamu berlebihan. Kamu bilang saya senang, tapi saya masih harus belajar. Oke, anak-anak, paham sampai sana ya? Oke, next. Masih ada beberapa contoh dialog yang harus kalian baca. Kemudian di sini saya juga ingin kalian untuk mengerjakan ya task 2. Oke, pada buku paket kalian lihat ada task 2. Answer the following question. Jawab pertanyaan di bawah ini ya. Why do all of these people congratulate Alif? Ya, kenapa semua orang memberikan selamat kepada Alif? Kemudian yang kedua, what expression do they use to congratulate Alif? Ungkapan yang mereka gunakan untuk memberikan selamat pada Alif apa saja? Ya, how does Alif respond to their congratulating expression? Bagaimana tanggapan Alif terhadap ucapan selamat yang mereka berikan? Oke, kemudian what is the social purpose of congratulating people? Ya, apa fungsi sosial kita memberikan ucapan selamat kepada orang lain? Ya, kemudian number 5, when do we congratulate people? Kapan saja kita memberikan ucapan selamat kepada orang lain? Kemudian number 6, what are the expressions commonly used to congratulate people? Apa saja ungkapan yang biasanya digunakan untuk memberikan selamat kepada orang lain. Oke, guys, ini seputar giving congratulation ya. Jadi kalian jawab ini dulu, kerjakan pada buku latihannya, and then you take the photo of it and post it in Google Classroom. I will make the slot for submission for you and wait until it's ready, and then you can post it right away. Okay, guys, I hope you understand today's material because I think this is not hard for you. This is a very simple and very fun topic that you can learn, and you also often say this expression in your daily life to your friend when your friend is having a birthday party, and when your family having a wedding, you can say congratulations, or even your friend gets something which is amazing, you can say congratulations for them. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. Yeah, I will give you time to work independently, and if you want to and internalize this material, kalau kalian ingin untuk memahami materi ini, you can watch this video again and again. Silahkan ditonton videonya berkali-kali agar kalian paham. Okay? I will try to make you understand. Saya berusaha untuk membuat kalian itu mengerti dengan materi ini, ya. Jadi, I hope this video will be beneficial and useful for you. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Yeah, please wait the submission slot because I will make it right now. Yeah, thank you very much for your kind attention. Have a nice day and stay healthy, stay safe. Don't go anywhere if it is not very important for you. Okay, goodbye, guys. Om Santi, Santi, Santi.